Christian. UIU Houston, the second annual gala celebration. I bunde drama. I wear me on that day. Yan we behind them.
You don't wonder why the people fall in love. It could be for the game or pleasure, I don't know. But when it comes to lust, yeah, that's for sure. When I can't do these things around, girl, now you're the one that makes me smile, and it's true. Now only you fit give this love a chance to rain. Baby, don't go, all because of people like because of people like not because of people like because of people like pico don't go, hey, because of people like baby pico don't go.
If you don't get your tickets right now, you will be sorry for yourself. That's all I can say. So get your tickets, get your friends, and come check it out.
He who finds a wife finds a good thing and obtains favor from the Lord. So says the scripture.
You know